Meaning of entryway.
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 Entryway. An entryway is a space or structure that provides access to a building or room. It is typically located at the front of a building and serves as a transition area between the outdoors and indoors. The entryway may include features such as a door, porch, foyer, vestibule, or hallway. It is an important component of a building's design as it sets the tone for the rest of the interior. The entryway can also be used to create a welcoming atmosphere and provide a convenient place for guests to remove their shoes or jackets before entering the main living space.